F1 Chrome 12070. Let's do this thing. Good luck. And then after that will be 084. No, that's all good. I was like annoyed at myself for not being able to be like, here it is. Oh, it's not. Oh, why is it doing this? Spectra 1617 has 2 left with your chance at the Lakers. Here we go. Daniel Ricciardo off the bat, refractor for 12070. F1 Haas and a purple Charles Leclerc, number 2399. Toto Wolff refractor. Bottas and Guan Yu. Guan Yu freshest and an auto of Marino Sato. Nice one there for Virtuosi, who's got him. Stephen Dong doing very well. Nice rookie refractor of Guan Yu for Alfa Romeo. They are with James Ivory. AlphaTauri and a pink Zhou Guan Yu, number 275. That's also quite nice. Speed Demons of Carlos Sainz. Clint, I did the case break. Ferrari refractor, little scratch on it, like it looks like a machine scratch. And Verstappen to 299. Took me a better part of 45 minutes. Sonoda refractor. Yes, I'm glad. So that means you can do some live streams. Alpine F1. Checkerboard, Lewis Hamilton. And Speed Demons, George Russell. Where's Magda? He'd be watching the old cricket. I was like, I'm not letting this go on anymore. Needs to be done. Orange Red, Dennis Helga. Hamilton, Russell. Is that because you got him set up as a kids channel? Amaury Cordial, Future Stars. I know every time I upload a video, I have to say something about it being for kids or not for kids. AlphaTauri refractor. I usually just say no because I don't. It's easier to say no and be right, and then say yes and be wrong. Gee. Bottas refractor. Did I actually run out of sleeves amongst all this? There you go. Latifi, Speed Demons. 3 spots left in 9287. There you go. And Gasly and Sonoda. And that is that for F1 Chrome 12070. Jeez, we are getting